it's Brianna Nicole, and today I have this hair that we need to get into. So if you want to know more about it, go ahead and keep watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and all that good stuff like that. Or follow me on my social networkings. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the details of this hair. Okay, so this hair is from Amazon. I know it's been a minute since I did an Amazon hair review, and this is a T-part lace wig, 12 inches, and a ginger hair color. It looks lighter on camera, but it's kind of darker on like in person. But yeah, this wig is super cute. It was very easy to install, and yeah, something nice and quick and easy for the summer, because you know it get hot. And bobs are the perfect summer style. So if you want to see how I installed this wig, go ahead and keep watching, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff like that. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This hair is super cute and soft and flowy, and although it's a two-part lace, it looks really good, and you know, I'm satisfied. And it's great for the summer. This orange colorful hair, actually perfect for the summer. It's not too like hot, like heavy on my head, and it's not gonna be hot because it will get hot. Wigs be so hot in the summer and I hate it, but this seems like this would be a good wig to wear, and it's not gonna make me as hot as some long hair. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can see every time I post. And if you're interested in this Amazon hair, look in the description box and all the information will be right there. And then lastly, once again, this is 12-inch hair. I cut the right here as you seen in the video because I didn't like the way that looked. And yeah, two-part lace, and this is like a ginger color. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.